Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a haul and also kind of a random thought, and that is, do any of you ever buy things from morning, or not Tuesday morning, from AliExpress and wonder, like, did I really order this? Because these came from AliExpress, and I don't recall ever ordering these, so I need to go look and see if I actually did, because it just seems so random that I would ever order these, and what I thought I was going to do with them. So I don't know if I thought I was ordering something else or what, but just really weird. So I am doing Jan's Crazy Life, her altered book, which I have not even started. I have not even started it. So I just have so many other projects that I need to work on. So I finished my Halloween swap. I won't even say halfway done with my Christmas embellishment swap, but I actually at least kind of know what I'm going to do for that one. I did finish my embellishments for my Maggie Holmes swap. That's done. I'm going to mail that next week. So I finally got the fabric I'm going to use. So I'm going to be doing a gingerbread theme for my altered book. So I'm actually using some sort of vintage paper from Martha Stewart, and I love that paper. I've been hoarding it, but I've already done a scrapbook with it. So what the heck? Because I had bought a couple of them when they were clearing them out. So I'm hoping she does come out with some Martha Stewart paper for this year. But this is what I bought this on Etsy. So that finally came. Not that that's exciting, but it just happened to be with this stuff. And then alt new, you know, I feel like I have this stamp set. If I do, then it will, I'll give this one away. But I don't know if I do or not, because I feel like I do, but who knows? I had so much stuff come in, and I haven't really put it away properly, so I don't know if I have this or not. But alt new, they have this thing during during different holiday seasons or whatever, where they will I don't see it though, where they will give away a stamp set, with a purchase. So they were giving this one away, which is just a cute little flower stamp set. And so I thought this candy cane, if I don't have it, would be really, really cute for the season coming up. So it was pretty inexpensive to buy it, so I went ahead and got it. And then my favorite things, so if with a purchase you get this sweet little stamp set, this cute little reindeer. And so I did buy a couple of things. I bought this stamp set right here, which is this called Cool Christmas. And I just thought it was really cute, and it was pretty reasonably priced, I thought, because of it doesn't have a lot of dies, so to buy them both wasn't too pricey. So I did get that, and then I got their sampler Christmas. I don't know if it's Christmas, but I think they're like Christmas colors, glitter paper, and so. It's called Holly Jolly glitter paper. And so it came with some red, some green, some gold, and some silver. So I thought these would be handy, just easy to run through my machine, because I don't have to cut them down too much to use them. And then the last thing I wanted to show you was from CardzTV. So Mary over at CardzTV is doing basically like little stamp kits or card kits every month. So, this is the first one that I've bought. And so I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So it's $29.99. I think that's shipped. Can't remember. I think that's shipped. So let me show you everything that you get in the card kit. First, she gives you some ideas. So you have some ideas. These are actually on her YouTube, so you can see her make them. And then a list of everything that you get. So you get 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, 12 sheets of 6 by 6 papers, 2 sets of CardzTV stamps, 1 set of die cuts, enamel dots, an ink pad, white card bases, black and white treat bags. So go into it here. So first is the papers. So we get a purple, a green, an orange, a black, and a white. We get 2 stamp sets. So we get this one, which is Happy Halloween. And then this one is more spooky sayings. I don't know. I don't think I have this one. Do I have this one? I might have this one. If I do, then I will do something with that. And then you get a ink pad. I just thought it'd be fun to do something different. So you get the little die cuts and you get the little paper sacks, the Echo Park, whatchamacallit, enamel dots. Then you get cards and envelopes, and then you get some sweet papers. So these papers, I'll show you those. So we've got a variety of papers here to play with. Not that I don't have tons of Halloween stuff, but I thought that I would sit down and make some Halloween cards. I thought it might be fun to, you know, just to surprise a few friends at work with a little card and a little treat. Just throw it in their box at work. So anyway, just something different that I'm trying. This is from CardzTV. I will put a link to her channel so that you could go ahead and check her out. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Cricut the Heart.